Welcome students. This session we are going to see how to join the NDLI portal for the NDLI club. So dear GPC students, we are happy to announce that our institute GEMS Polytechnic College is now a part of the National Digital Library of India club. So it is mandatory by the AICTE approval process 2021-2022 for everyone in the institution, both faculties and students, to be a member of the NDLI institution club. So we request you to kindly register yourselves in the following steps. So see students, already we shared all this content, and the step by step instruction to how to join the club is already shared to your WhatsApp group. Anyhow, I am going to help you to show in this video how to join. First step. The step 1 is we have to register in the NDLI portal. For to register in this NDLI portal, we have to click this link, first link. If you click this link, it will directly goes to the NDLI portal. So here there is in the rightmost corner you can see the 3 lines are there. You have to click these 3 lines. In that you have to click the login. In that login pop-up menu, just find out the register option in the topmost bottom of the bottommost of the this pop-up page. You have to click this register. Here you have to fill all those details. For example, I'm going to give my details, okay, and I'm going to give my link. So password, okay, password you have to give your own password. What are the password you want to give? Okay, you have to give the confirm password. And you have to give your date of birth. For example, first you have to select the year 1988, then October 22nd. Which state? So now I belong to Bihar. The city you have to manually type Aurangabad. And education role, you have to give lifelong learner. So it means anytime you can access this website. And language, what is the language you prefer? You can give whatever the language you prefer, but I give English. And next you have to give your institute name. In that institute name you have to give GEMS Polytechnic College, and you have to type the text seen here 033886 and click that I have read all this thing, and you click sign up. Okay, you have to give, if you want to save password you can save, or you want to no save, okay, better you can give save password. See, the first step is over. Then the second step is your mail ID is successfully registered. A verification link has been sent to your email. Please verify your account to login. Okay, see here you can also see here the second step is a mail verification. Okay, for that mail verification we have to go to your mail. Which mail you are giving, that mail only you have to go to verify your verification link. See, the mail which I give is jametitus@gmail.com. So I have to click here. So you can find out that verification mail came here. Click here. And here there is a message. Dear Titus, thank you for registering at National Digital Library of India. To verify your account, please click here. So what we have to do? We have to click here. Again, the verification process is success. So account verification. Thank you for verifying your account. Please use your registered email ID to login. Okay, now we have to login. Okay, again you press this 3-line button, login. You have to type your password. See, already I gave save option, So automatically everything is saved here. So you have to click here so that mail id and password will come here. Or otherwise, if you're not giving the save option, you have to manually type. So already I gave save now, so I click this, everything is came. So the thing is, one thing is I have to give this number 302079. Okay, if you want to remember me, means you can give remember me, or you have to give login. Okay, now it goes to the login. So second step is over. Third step, before go to the third step, you have to go to, see, again press the three button link, and now your name is shown here. Click the arrow button and press the customize. What are the things, anything you want to add, or any things you want to change, means you can change here, or otherwise just to close that button. So now comes to the third step. First is two step is over. First step is general registration in the NDLI portal, and the second step is mail verification, and we are logging to the NDLI portal. Now the third step, we are going to register ourselves in the club. Okay, for this, this link you have to click. So this link will guide us to will go to this club NDLI website. So this is totally a different website other than the NDLI website. This is the specific page for the club registration. See, here you can find all those things. Enter passkey, enter a valid email, enter first name, last name, then the ID. So what you have to do, here we are giving the passkey. So you have to copy this passkey carefully, starting from 2 to FF. You have to copy. So this is the passkey for our GPC college. You have to copy the passkey and you have to paste it here. And what is the okay, passkey validated successfully. Okay, it means this is the correct passkey, so it validated successfully. Now you have to click your give your mail ID. Which mail ID you registered? I registered jametitus@gmail.com. Okay, that mail ID also it will check. Okay, what you have to do now, again the second verification. Okay, second time you have to verify where we have to verify our mail. Okay, well, let's go to the mail. Sorry, let's go to the Gmail. Give refresh. Now you can find the second mail verification which came from the NDLI club. So this is the club verification email. So you have to, again here, NDLI club verification, hello Titus. To verify your club role, please click here. And once again I repeat, in the third step we are giving the registration. We have to go to the club registration link. For example, here I tell you club registration. In the club registration link, where I'll show you here. Sorry, here we give the passkey, and the passkey is validated, and again we have to give the the registered mail ID in the NDLI. The same after that we have to go for the mail verification. You will receive the mail verification for the club. You have to click here. Okay, now it goes to the NDLI club website. Okay, now what they are asking, thank you for verifying your account and being part of a NDLI club. Please use your registered email ID to log in both NDLI and NDC. NDLI means normal National Digital Library of India, and NDC means NDLI club. Okay, so but you have to go to here, this website. So sign in here, click the website which we used. What is the password we used? Same password only. Now it will go to the our college club website. You just wait for a minute. It will go because this website will take a little more time. Otherwise you can give one refresh. Okay, so this website initially it will opens the terms and condition. If you want to read all those terms and condition, and you have to give agree. Okay, see, so this is the page, this is the fresh page of the NDLI club. Here NDLI club, see, you will find our college image, our college logo, everything is there. Okay, this is so you will find now you are now you joined the NDLI club for GPC. Now what you have to do is you have to click this 3 button. Here profile button is option is there. You click the profile button. Okay, the profile page will come. Okay, so update your whatever the details. You have to give the mobile number. What is the mobile number? My number. Okay, and date of birth, everything is there. And you can give save profile. Update education info details. But no need to give any education details because now you are studying the okay, because here now no diploma option is there, so soon, very soon they will add the diploma information. So if you want any other to add, you can add. Here the profile photo page is there. So if you want to add a profile photo, you can add your profile photo. Okay, so this is how you have to join. And now you have to come to home. This is the home page of your NDLI club. And the second is the event page. In this event page, is there any event is conducting, so that all those event will come here. So right now no event is conducting, and very soon we are going to conduct the event, so you can wait there. So this is how we have to join the 5 steps. So once again I repeat, the first step you have to do the general registration in the NDLI portal. After that you have to do the mail verification. After mail verification, you have to log in and you have to check your profile. Second, you have to come back to the third step. Again come back to this message page, and you have to click this link in the step 3. This link will bring you to the NDLI club. There you have to give the pass key, and the pass key will be validated, and you have to give your the registered mail ID in the registered mail ID which you gave in the NDLI portal. The same mail ID we have to give in the step 3 link, and again mail verification will come. After the mail verification, you have to go to this club link and you have to sign in with the same mail ID and password, and you have to do all those things. You have to update your profile, and you can see your events, what are the events we conducted in college wise.